Hi friends, good morning. We have discussed in last lecture that how can we decide any atom's atomic mass. We have taken as a relative mass of carbon, and carbon having three isotopes C12, C13 and C14, and we have also made an average, prepared an average atomic mass of carbon, that is 12.0 something. In calculation we cannot use point value, we directly use value which is shown without point. So 12.0 something means we will use only 12 atomic mass of carbon. Hydrogen having the atomic mass is 1.008 or 0078, we will use 1 AMU, because in calculation generally round digit is used, point value are not used because it is negligible. So myself AG sir, again I welcome all of you. Today we are going to discuss about molecular mass. How can we calculate molecular mass of molecule or compound, and what is the method to find out the molecular mass. And second topic of today is formula mass. Why it is to be said formula mass, why it is not to be said molecular mass. We will see the difference between formula mass and molecular mass. So today we are going to discuss about what is the molecular mass. So we are having example of your textbook. Then what is the molecular mass of CH4? First we will see the definition of molecular mass. You can clearly see in molecule CH4 there is one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. So total atomic mass present in molecule, total of atomic mass present in molecule, that is to be said molecular mass. So in any molecule there are different type of element present or atom present. Sum of atom in molecule, that is to be said molecular mass. So we can say that here carbon is 1. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon, 1 into atomic mass of carbon, plus there are 4 hydrogens, so 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So we have to put the here value of atomic mass of carbon, and we have to put over here the value of atomic mass of hydrogen. Then we will multiply by 4 because there are 4 hydrogen present. Here only one carbon, so will be multiplied by 1, so value will be the same. So we are using not point value. In your textbook there is given atomic mass of carbon is 12.0 something, we will not use, only 12 we will use, and hydrogen having 1.0078, we will use only 1 to find out the particular value. In your textbook there is given value 1.0078 or 1.008, but we will use only 1. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon is 12U plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U. So 1 into 12 means 12U plus 4 into 1U, 4U. So we are having 16U. It is the molecular mass of CH4, methane. This is the methane. CH4 is methane. Now we are taking another example which is not given in your textbook. What is the molecular mass of H2SO4? So how can we find the molecular mass of H2SO4? Simple. In H2SO4 there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, so 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen. So now we are having the calculation. 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, 2 into 1U. 1 into atomic mass of sulfur, that is 1 into sulfur atomic mass is 32U plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen, then 4 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. We are not using point value. So 2 into 1 means it is 2U plus 32 into 1 means 32U plus 4 into 16 means 64U. Then 2 plus 32 plus 64. So 2 plus 32 means it is 34 plus 64 plus 64. Then we are having 98. So atomic mass of H2SO4 is 98U. That is to be said unified mass. Now we are having the atomic mass of molecular mass of H2O. Molecular mass of H2O. Then how can we find out the molecular mass of H2O? Then we are having 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. Then we are having 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. We are taking not 1.008, but we are taking 1. So 1U plus 1 into 2U, sorry, 2 into atomic mass, yes, okay. And 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16U. 1 into 16U. Then 2 into 1U means 2U plus 1 into 16U means it is 16U. Then total molecular mass of H2O will be 18U. Very simple, very easy, can calculate very easily. So you must follow this method to find out the molecular mass of any compound or any molecule. Sum of atom present in molecule is to be said molecular mass. Sum of atomic mass of element or atom in molecule, present in molecule, sum of atomic mass present in molecule or atom present in molecule, that is to be said molecular mass. So now it is clear. I am giving another 5 example for the homework. You must calculate and you must find out the molecular mass of given compound. So now we are having homework of this type of molecular mass. You just note down and then calculate molecular mass by this method. Very simple, very easy. First, according to your textbook, there is given glucose molecular mass of glucose, you can easily find out. Glucose is C6H12O6. This is the molecule formula of glucose. So you will calculate the molecular mass of glucose. Another example is Na2CO3. Na is 23, U carbon no, oxygen no, HNO3, N is 14, U. Third one is KMNO, sorry, H2S, S is 32U. We all know that. Fifth one is H2CO3, carbonic acid. Fifth one is H2S2O7, that is fumaric acid, or it is the mixture of H2 and sulfuric acid. So you have to find out these 5 value, molecular mass of these 5 molecule, which method we have used. So this is the homework. Note down, you must send me homework by today evening. Now we are going to discuss about the formula mass. What is the formula mass? So it is another new topic. Why we are not using molecular mass? It is also molecule, but we are using formula mass. Why? Let's see. Next topic.